Now there's an accusation here that the hares.
He said, don't go that way, go that way.
That was a hare's fault.
It was the hair's
I
fault.
don't believe you.
Which hare?
The screwdriver.
The big one or the wee one?
Yeah.
It wasn't me.
He sent me the wrong way. And it was
You. No, the wrong way.
No, it can't be Bushwhacker because Bushwhacker couldn't find any paper coming back.
Where's
What do you mean it
screwdriver?
wasn't you? It wasn't me.
the screwdriver.
It wasn't me, it was him.
Where's screwdriver?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver!
We had to find it.
That's it.
Get in here.
Oh, you've just been grasped by your...
That's the man, he did it.
The only reason this guy's late is he sent him the wrong way. I'll get your beer over. Sorry,
Who's telling the truth? Tinks, which one is telling the truth?
Which one's telling the truth? I don't know.
Yeah, is it this guy, or is it the snitch over here?
The hashes. No one tells the truth. It was
Get the snitch in.
Ian, put out.
Shut.
Yeah, he walked over there, he had a little walk, so...
Butt out never went out on trail.
You can't believe the thing they say, they're like
This is
politicians.
fine, all along.
Okay. Here's to the, I don't know, what are they? The late
This is the
brother
guy that
and
got
the...
lost because of the hair. He's a
He's a usher through and through. He's a Bristol, so they say. Never gonna have it in a long, long way.
Down. You want to come here with the new